Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods to straighten my hair and letting you know which one is my favorite. We're going to start off by using a straightener on my hair today. I washed it this morning and then I put in a leave-in conditioner and let it air dry throughout the day. I'm going to be sectioning it off into 3 different sections, the bottom, the middle, and the top, and then straightening in each section. I'll start off by brushing through the section. I'll spray on a heat protectant oil mist to help protect my hair, and then I'll just go over it with a straightener. I'm using a Remington straightener, I believe. I've had it since I was in college. I set it to the highest setting it has, which is 410 degrees, and then I just go over my hair in sections several times, usually until I feel it is sufficiently straight and smooth. If you do see some steam coming off my hair, that is totally normal. It is not my hair burning. It is just whatever moisture is left in there from this morning or from the heat protectant spray evaporating out. I'm not frying my hair. I'm just brushing it out now and showing you the final result from the straightening. Overall, this is probably not my favorite way to straighten my hair. It's nice if I've already let my hair air dry so I don't have to wet it again, but it doesn't get the roots as straight and as voluminous as I would like. I feel like they just look kind of stiff, and you can see in the back a lot of the roots are not completely straight. There's still some wave or some curl left in them. But I do like the ends, and in a pinch, this definitely works to straighten my hair. Okay, it's a new day. Up next, I'm going to be blow drying my hair. I'm starting with damp hair here. I'm going to be applying about a quarter size amount of this leave-in conditioner / blowout cream to my hair, and then just combing that through to the ends. Similarly to how I straightened my hair, I'm going to be dividing my hair into 3 sections and blowing it out section by section. My hair dryer I'm using today is the Infinity Pro by Conair. I got it a few years ago after my blow dryer from high school stopped working, and it works pretty well. I'm using the high settings here, so I'm using both high heat and the highest airflow. I'm also using this large round brush to kind of brush through my hair as I'm blow drying it, and I like to try to direct it upwards from the roots, and that kind of helps add more volume to my hair. And so I just continue this layer by layer until the hair is completely dry.
You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Okay, this is what the finished result looks like. Overall, I really like it. I think it gets my hair very straight from the roots all the way to the ends. It gives me a lot of volume and a lot of shine. If I do have one complaint, it's that it doesn't give you quite that same flat iron finish. If you look at the ends, they are still a little bit frizzy almost, but overall I am very happy with the result. And this is the way that I've been straightening my hair for the past couple of years. I'll usually blow it out when it's wet, and then I'll take a straightener to just the ends to just kind of clean up that frizz a little bit. Up next, I'm going to be using a one-step blowout styler to straighten my hair, which is like this big hollow brush that also blows hot air out. I'm doing it the same way that I did with my blow dryer. I'm going to be applying about a quarter-sized amount of styling cream, sectioning it off, and straightening it section by section, is trying to pull it upwards to give myself more volume. This is a fairly new tool to me. I got it about a month ago, but so far I really like it. I think it does a good job of straightening my hair, giving me volume, and keeping the ends very smooth and turned in, kind of how I like it. I also like that it's just one tool, so it's a lot more portable than having to carry both my blow dryer and my round brush and my straightener with me when I travel. The tool that I'm using today is from Hot Tools, and I've heard claims that this is supposed to speed up your style time for your hair. I have not found that to be the case. I find that this takes about the same amount of time as blowing out my hair does. However, I still really like the finish, and ever since I've had this tool, it's been my go-to when I need to straighten my hair.
So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
So this is the final result using the blow styler. As I said, this is my favorite method to straighten my hair. I just really like the shine and the straightness and how the ends curve in. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and found it informative. I will see you in the next one. Bye!